जो आता है उसको याद रखो. Remember, it is your strengths which will take you through, and it is not your weak points which will take you through. So ignore your weak points, focus on your strength. और पेपर में क्या करना है हम सब जानते हैं. We need to just focus on the process. Process क्या है? इंग्लिश में पैसेज पढ़ना है. You have to read the passage. You have to go through the questions. Don't rush to the passage. Don't read the passage 2-3 times. Don't go back to the passage to verify an answer. जो सवाल पढ़ा है, whatever looks like the correct answer, please mark it and move on. Stuck between two choices, pick up one of them, mark the answer, move on. Don't waste time, because every time you go back to the passage, you are taking away time from another passage. And that is where the problem would lie. So what is the process? Read, go to the questions, answer, move on, no going back. Similarly, when you look at DILR, यही तो करना है. Data देखो चारों का, or whatever number of sets are there, go through all those sets and choose the one which is easiest, attempt it. Ignore the one which is the most difficult, and after you have done the easiest one, look at the remaining sets and again pick up the one which looks most likely to you. And when you pick up a set, please be willing to give at least 8-10 minutes, maybe even 15 minutes, not an issue at all, because when you give it sufficient time, you will get it right. Don't rush, don't speed up, work at a pace at which you are comfortable with. And exactly the same process has to be followed in quant also. No different from the other two sections, because there also you have to read the question, identify whether it's doable by you or not. If it is doable by you in, let's say, even in 3.5 minutes, please do it. If you think you are not sure about it, please leave it and move to the next question. Do the easy questions. After that, जो बच गए हैं सवाल, again look at which ones you can do. जो हो सकते हैं करो, नहीं तो don't worry about it. So your job is to focus on the process, and this is the process that we look at. If you are focusing on the process, your process is right, the outcome will be right. Please don't focus on the outcome. जितना outcome की चिंता करोगे उतना पेपर खराब होगा.